Ah, fooled you. It's not about towing. We're doing something about some homemade welding leads. Okay, so we got these ordered. I dumped these out. I already verified it. Part number, if anybody cares. These are Dinse 35. I have the wall mount, so when I build a welder generator, I can put this on a panel. I can put the regular lug from the panel to the power source onto here. These are twist lock lugs. People are like, how can you do that? This is Dinse 35. We're going to take the end of the jumper cable and we're going to go in here with a drill bit after these rivets. And that's copper wire right there. That goes into here. There's a little sleeve, comes out. If it's too loose, then what I'm going to do is get a piece of copper plumbing, copper pipe, cut a slice on it so that way I can roll it in, make it nice and snug. And when you use this Allen wrench, Allen set right here, I'll squeeze it down in, crimp it, make sure it don't come out. And then here's for the cable. So we know it's going to be a little bit smaller because here's the ID. You can see there's a little bit of room there. We can check it over here. And that's with the insulation on there. These, they claim, are 315 amps capacity. I'd say 150, 200 amps. I don't know what type of materials they got on there, but it might even say Dinse 35 up. No, it don't. Yeah, there you go. 3550. That's the fitting size we got. So this one's about 16 foot long. Turn in that pair of cables. I don't know if I got a video clip up yet or not. I know I got footage. Scored these at a wrecking yard. Go back and check it out. So when I'm at salvage yards, I look for jumper cables. They're getting more and more pricey. I know these are solid copper. The new ones at Harbor Freight, they're like aluminum and copper coated. This came from Harbor Freight, but that was years ago. Had a lot of slop, you know, so I welded in a flat plate in here, machined that out to tolerance. Machined out these side plates, welded those in. I think you still see the regular ones on there, and I welded in these gussets over here. And that was, oh goodness, 5 years ago. I've had the actual hitch longer than that, but I didn't like the thing rattling. That was a little fabrication project. Funny note, I used to have a 4-inch drop and I couldn't hook it to the truck because it was too high up. I had to take it out, hook it up, and then slide it in the receiver. Anyways, stay tuned and I'll show you the outcome of a set of welding leads. And this is part of the other project. It's not done yet. Welding alternator, right? So 11 horse Honda motor. This one is just like a early 90s GM. I think it's 110 amp. I'd have to check it again. You can see the 3-phase poles right up in here. Came off. So we could do that, and we could use this. They don't favor them too much. I was gonna get one off a semi truck, a little bit more heavy duty. But yeah, that's what we got going on for that. You like carburetor cleanups? I gotta get the carburetor cleaner and get that going. But yep, there's the other carburetor we already did. Previous episode. If you recognize the generator, stay tuned on the other one. We adjusted the linkage to the governor here, and I'll do a not get the other posting going. That way she doesn't bog down as much when you put her on the load welding. Like 60-70 amps. It's not that big a Jenny to do that, but yeah. Jumper cables into welding leads. Dinse connectors. You can get more Dinse connectors and you can hook them together, make them longer if you needed to. See y'all on the flip side.